Hello my dear student, our lesson today is about represent fractions. What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole or a part of a group of things. Who can read this fraction? Very good, 1 over 2 or half. Now we have a circle and we want to represent this fraction. What will we do? We know half means one part of two equal parts. Okay, so I will color one part from two parts equally. Again, I color one part from two parts equally. If you understand, represent these fractions. Okay, now we have a triangle and we want to represent this fraction 1 over 2. Okay, what will we do? Very good, I color one part from two parts equally. Who can read this fraction? Very good, 1 over 3 or third. Okay, now we have a circle and we want to represent this fraction. What will we do? We know 1 over 3 means one part of 3 equal parts. Okay, so I color one part from 3 parts equally. Represent this fraction 5 over 6. We know 5 over 6 means 5 parts of 6 equal parts. Okay, so I color 5 parts from 6 parts equally. Again, I color 5 parts from 6 parts equally. Represent this fraction 1 over 5. 1 over 5 means one part of 5 equal parts. Okay, so I color one part from 5 parts equally. Again, I color one part from 5 parts equally. What is the fraction of the shaded part? First, I will make fraction line, then count the shaded parts. Let's count 1. I have 1. I write this one in the top. Okay, then count all parts. Let's count 1, 2. I write 2 in the bottom. Okay, let's take another example. What is the fraction of the shaded part? We say first I make fraction line, then count the shaded parts. Let's count 1, 2. Very good, I write 2 in the top. Okay, then count all parts. Let's count 1, 2, 3. I have 3. I write 3 in the bottom. I can read this fraction 2 over 3. Let's take another example. What is the fraction of the shaded part? First, I make fraction line, then count the shaded parts. Let's count 1, 2, 3. I have 3. I write 3 in what? Very good, in the top. Then count all parts. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4. I write 4 in the bottom. I can read this fraction 3 over 4. Thanks my dear student and goodbye.